itself. Stop going in circles. It bothers me so much. That is not battling. That is not battling. It looks so much bigger on the commercials. I don't know why it looks so small for real. Why does it keep falling over? See, he just ran off himself. Yeah, Black's coming. The new one. No, don't go back down. What? Oh, I forgot to close that gate. And that one. When's that telephone? Now we should be able to get back out. Well, this one should be open and that one should be closed. But once they get over there, they'll never get back out. See, now it's stuck there. See, now it wants to come back. But this would be the only way for it to escape. Oh my gosh, there's one in the racing part. Red.